Hey everyone, this is my Galaxy Model 3714 20-inch box fan, and as you can see, it comes with the original box. Now the box itself has withstood the test of time very well, being that it still is in very good shape. What we're going to do here is move the box aside and show you the actual fan. Now the fan itself, I believe, was made in the mid-1980s, probably 1985 or 1986, judging on the blade hub design. It still has the carry handle and all that intact on it. And we'll focus in on the 2-speed switch here for you, which is this odd counterclockwise throw that these models have. Here's the side of the fan. Paint's in pretty good shape, but you can see the grills are yellowed up. In the back, of course, with the plastic Marco motor, which runs very well. And what we're going to do now is get straight to the guts of this and give you a demonstration of this fan. And we'll start it off on high speed. As you can hear, low speed is much nicer and quieter, much more sedate. And we'll bring it up to high again. Now this wouldn't be much of a box fan video if we didn't do the startup sounds. So here's startup on high. And startup on low. Yeah, the startup sound isn't as apparent on this one as other fans that I've seen presented here on YouTube. At any rate, I'm going to conclude this video now. I'd like to thank everybody for watching, and know, of course, that we will have more to come. So please hit that subscribe button to stay tuned. Later.